Hello everyone, I am Paritosh Kumar and today I am going to explain about the gravity lesson and I am also going to explain what is gravity and how it is being introduced and by who. What saw that the gravitational force is attractive force between any two objects with non-zero mass separated by a distance. So does the apple falls down on the earth or does the earth moves towards the apple or both moves together in a swarm? It's actually simple. This is the earth and say the minuscule object of the apple. Based on what we learned about it, both apply an equal force to attract the object towards itself. So, if the force are equal, which one will attract more? Based on Newton's second law, we know that force applied in this project of mass is acceleration. So the acceleration will equal force over the mass. The acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass. If the mass is more, the acceleration will be increased. As the mass of the earth is much more, the mass of the apple is its apple acceleration towards the earth and not the other way around. Hope that make it easy. Now the question is, how did we get qualified? To understand this, we need to understand a simple concept. And the simple concept is called the universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation says there are two objects of A and B separated by a distance d. The distance between the central and consider the distance between the two. Object and non-bits assume the mass of an object A is m1 and the object B is m2. As object A is bigger, let's assume m1 to be bigger than m2, the universal law of gravitation that every object in universe attract every object with a force which directly is proportional to the product of their masses, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Let me repeat, the force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. With this data, we can write the mathematical like this. So, if mass of any object increases, the gravitational force have more magnitude, and more the distance between the two objects, the lesser the gravitational force, directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. 2 can be written as F equal to G times m1 into m2 by d2. So d square. This means G is the universal gravitational constant. The equation can be modified as G equals to F times d squared over m1 times m2. The value of G was found by Lord Henry Cavendish using a torsion balance. The universal accepted value of G is 6.673 times 10 raised to negative 11. What will be the units? For its Newton. As the distance is in meters, we have meter square. And as the masses is measured, we multiply the kilogram raised to negative 2. The value is the universal gravitational constant. This is the value. Thank you.